Now that your floor looks new again, we want to help you keep it that way. A dry floor is a clean and happy floor, so please use your towels as much as possible to dry. Please wait 24 hours for putting any rugs down. We don't want anything to stick to the sealant. Your pets are okay, we promise they won't stick to the floor. Your sealant will need time to cure, so please refrain from mopping your floor for 6 days. Small cleanup areas are okay as long as you dry them completely. Ideally, you want a low humidity in this environment so the floor will dry. We don't want any moisture around. So keep your AC somewhere around 79 and keep your windows closed and keep that moisture outside. You may use gentle cleaners like Pine Sol, Fabiosa, a cup per gallon of water. Do not use an acid cleaner such as Grease Lightning or CLR. You can use bleach and water, but it must be diluted, and I only want you to use it maybe 4 times a year. Remember, the sealant doesn't eat dirt. It just prevents the dirt from seeping into the grout. If we made sealant that ate dirt, we'd be rich. The most important thing to remember is to keep your floor dry. Thank you for choosing Mrs. Grout. We care about your floors and we want to keep you happy with your results. Don't hesitate to call us with any questions you may have. Our number is 352-461-3835.